So I'm rating some fidgets today. So the first one, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And I have Sparkle back. I keep on calling her Sparkle. Crystal. She broke her leg. So the first one is a ladybug poppet. I will rate this a 10 out of 10. I really like this one. And I love the colors. So yeah, that's the first one. And then this one is definitely a 10 out of 10. Love this one. Ooh, this one, this is an 8 out of 10. I don't know what this is called. So this is a poppet, a dimple, and I don't know what this is called. It's like this little line that you can poke your thing through. And I have a mini poppet here, and I want to show you something. It's so cool. So you put the mini poppet on the good side, and then I rate this a 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10. You put it in there like that, and then flip it over, and look, you can pop it. See that, guys? Uh-oh. Please. Do y'all see that? So cool. So yeah. There. I don't know if I could get this out, but I'll try later. And then I have 3 more. This one is a 7 out of 10. It's not that good. It's a pineapple Orbeez stress ball. It looks like yellow, but it's actually orange. See? It's orange. And then this one is a fidget spinner. That one's 7 out of 10. And I rate this one a 9 out of 10, and this one a 10.